Hi, in this video, we're going to look into the different ways you can host and access services in the cloud. Whether you're a blogger, business owner, or just curious about cloud technology, this video will help you understand key concepts without getting too technical. We'll cover terms like private and public clouds, on-premise and cloud deployments, and hybrid and multi-tenant deployment. Let's dive in. Let's start with the first two, public and private cloud deployment. Imagine a library. A public cloud is like a community library, open to all. Public deployment is similar to that. It's accessible to everyone. This means services like your online shop, website, or blog are accessible to the public. On the other hand, a private cloud is exclusive, like a personal library in your home. It's ideal for sensitive operations, accessible only to a select group, like a company's internal network. Employees can access it directly at work, or remotely via a VPN, virtual private network, maintaining its private approach. Then we have on-premise and cloud deployment. This one is easy as it describes where, or rather, who is taking care of the servers on which the cloud services are running. On-premise is like owning and maintaining your own library. You have complete control and responsibility for managing it. Software upgrades, security, electricity supply, dusting it off once in a while. It might sound a bit counterintuitive, as with this type of deployment, you are not benefiting from the cloud aspects like cloud elasticity, but it is useful if you have extremely predictable workloads, or if you need to comply with strict data privacy regulations, like in finance or dealing with medical data. On the flip side, cloud deployment is like having a library membership. You don't own the books, servers, but can access a vast range of them whenever you need. This is great for businesses that want scalability, flexibility, and lower upfront costs, as you pay only for what you use. Next up is hybrid deployment, a mix and match approach. Why do this? Imagine using both your personal library and the community library. In business, this means combining the security and control of on-premise servers with the flexibility and scalability of the cloud. For example, a company might store sensitive data on its own servers for security, but use cloud resources for developing new applications. It's all about finding the right balance for your needs. Lastly, multi-tenant deployment is like using several libraries across town to maximize your resources. This approach involves deploying services across multiple cloud providers. Businesses do this to avoid dependency on a single provider, optimize costs, and leverage different cloud capabilities. For instance, a company might use one cloud provider for its advanced AI services and another one for better data analytics tools, and there you have it. Each cloud deployment type offers unique advantages and can be tailored to your specific needs. The cloud is a vast and exciting field, constantly evolving with new solutions. Stay curious, keep exploring, and don't hesitate to dive deeper into each of these areas. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.